Obviously, one of the major questions and issues raised in 2020 is the implementation of the IMO, which is now a reality. How do you think that companies and ship owners can actually deal with it and the challenges that come with it?
Well, they have several options. They can either sail on compliant fuel, or they can replace the whole engine with an LNG and fueled engine, or they can install scrubbers. And I would say that scrubbers would be the most financially safe solution. We know that because of the fuel price differential between heavy fuel oil and compliant fuels, such as low sulfur heavy fuel oil, is at the moment around $200 per ton. And with that, we have a very, very fast return on investment. On some ships, down to 8 months.
The question is, though, can every ship owner and every shipping company cope with the cost that is actually involved in this?
No, unfortunately not. As was mentioned in the panel earlier, IMO has placed the responsibility on ship owners to upgrade their systems, and the whole cost of this regulation is put on the ship owners. And that means that the bigger ship owners might have the capital to upgrade to scrubber systems, while smaller ship owners just have to deal with the more expensive compliant fuel.
Essentially, though, the regulatory framework right now is actually putting all the weight on the shoulders of the ship owners, whereas on the other hand, the cost may be too high to actually grow the business or even survive. So, what is actually the next step for those that cannot really comply with that? Would they actually be put aside?
Well, I hope that they would be able to put some of the cost to the stakeholders, to the end customers, so shipping overall will become more expensive. If not, we might see consolidations. Maybe some ship owners won't be able to take the cost. It's a little too early to say still, but my hope is that ship owners will survive this.
Obviously, there is another issue about the compliant fuels market. This is the price of these fuels. Is there such a rate which actually allows the companies to run their operations without having to carry all the burden of this cost?
Well, I think that question would be better to ask a ship owner.
Is it an affordable solution, though, the compliant fuel?
Yeah, is it a good solution?
Is there an affordable solution, though?
Affordable. We'll see. We'll see when the fuel price differential closes and stabilizes at a level. I think it's still too early to say.
And finally, you've actually attended this annual Link Capital forum. What is your impression of it?
I have a very good impression. It seems very professional. A lot of big names. Ship owners are here present, as well as financial institutions, banks, and so on. I think it's a great place to be, to network and talk to people.